Hi, my name's Alana. I've been working in the customer service team at Trevi Conway for the past 3 months. So the team always keep our tenants informed and up to date. This can be in a variety of ways, such as phone call, via letter or SMS text message.
Hi Miss Hughes, I'm phoning to remind you of your gas safety appointment on Thursday morning. Are you going to be home? Great, and you've got credit on your meter? That's brilliant, thank you.
This allows our tenants to have knowledge of the situation and planned works in their property. It also prevents, helps prevent missed appointments with tenants and subsequently the efficiency of our engineers.
Hello Mr Smith. Hi, I'm just calling to let you know the job request you posted on our tenants portal for missing tiles on your roof. It's been logged and passed to our roofing contractors, Rubber Roofs. They will contact you directly to arrange a suitable appointment.
So contact promises are really important to make sure that we get back in touch with customers. This makes them feel that they haven't been forgotten about.